Chapter 14. Locating a place. Key points. Landmarks. Sketch. Directions. Map. Dad, what are maps? How are they useful to us? Maps show the exact location of a place. They are very important and useful for us. Let me tell you in detail. We can locate a place with the help of landmarks, sketches, directions, maps, signs and symbols. Landmarks. The reference points or places which help us to locate a place are called landmarks. Places like cinema halls, schools, markets, temples, etc. are used as landmarks to locate a place. Let's go an extra mile. A landmark may be a man-made or a natural one. Sketch. A rough drawing of a place is called the sketch of that place. A sketch is not an exact drawing of a let place. Let's go an extra mile. The first person who drew a map of the earth on a flat surface was Gerardus Mercator. Directions. East and west, north, south are the four main directions. When we stand facing the rising sun, east is in front of us. Behind us is the west. Our left hand points towards the north and our right hand points towards the south. We can also use a compass to find directions. Compass is a device that consists of a magnetic needle which helps in locating the direction by pointing towards the north. Map. A map shows the exact location of a place. It is a pictorial chart of a place drawn on a flat surface like paper. It shows directions in relation to the sun and contains signs, symbols and scales to locate places shown on it. A book of maps is called an atlas. Types of maps. There are three types of maps: political, physical and thematic. The map that shows states or countries, their boundaries, capital cities, as well as other important places is called a political map. The map that shows different landforms and water bodies such as mountains, deserts and rivers is called a physical map. It is also called a relief map. The map which gives information about population, soil type, temperature, rainfall, etc. is called a thematic map. Scale of a map. Since a map cannot show the actual area because of its smaller size, a scale is used to draw a map. The scale is the ratio between the distance on the ground and the distance on a map. It is given in a corner of the map. It is an important part of the language of a map as it relates the distance between places on a map to the actual distance between the places. For example, if the distance between two places A and B is 500 kilometers on the ground and on the map, the distance between these two places is only 5 centimeters. That means 1 centimeter equals 100 kilometers. This is the scale of a map. A person who makes and studies a map is called a cartographer. Signs and symbols. Important information such as rivers, roads, bridges, churches and temples is represented by different signs and symbols. Some important signs and symbols are given in the table below. Physical features. River, canal, lake or reservoir, marsh, glacier, peak, height in meters, sea depth in meters, coral reef, desert, salt pan, waterfall, boundaries, international boundary, state or province boundary, district boundary, boundary in dispute, settlements, country capital, state headquarters, union territory headquarters, district headquarters, other town, tourist place, communications, national highway with number, state highway or major road, other road, road with bridge, road under construction, track or footpath, railway, railway under construction, airport, seaport. Different colors are also used in a map. They are used to represent different water bodies and landforms on the map. Blue, rivers. Green, forest. Yellow, plains. Red, plateaus. Brown, mountains, hills and deserts. Let's go an extra mile. A plan is a map that represents a smaller area, like of a room in a house or a flat. A globe is the map of the earth shown on a sphere. Elder talk. Whenever we go to a new place, we should take a map of that place so that we can easily locate our destination. New words. Landmark, reference point or place used to locate a place. Sketch, rough drawing of a place. Map, diagrammatic representation of a place usually on a flat surface. Landform, specific geographical features such as a mountain or a plain. Read and recall. We can locate a place with the help of landmarks, sketches, directions, maps, signs and symbols. Reference points or places such as a temple or a market are called landmarks. A rough drawing of a place is called a sketch. The four main directions are north, south, east and west. A map represents the exact location of a place. A scale is an important part of a map. Signs and symbols are used to represent important information on maps.